Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to our MCMC world. In this video, we will introduce the Evaluator module of the MCMC optimizer. Each evaluator evaluates each cost of the given solution by the activated items. Because the cost evaluation depends on the problem that you want to solve, so the Evaluator module supports two types of implementation. One is the cost evaluator, which requires you to code in C#. And the other one is visual scripting, named Formula Evaluator. In this example, we define two courses. One uses the custom evaluator, and the other one uses the formula evaluator. For each evaluator, you can define its weights if you are using the fixed weight module. You can also give it a name and a color for the gizmo drawing. In the first course, we evaluate the sum of the list. The target of the sum would be 100. We use the custom evaluator to decide the cost definition in this course. Here is the example code of the flow sum evaluator. You can select the attribute from the Smart Suggestion Engine in the inspector. The Smart Suggestion Engine will always provide a type-matched item component to you. This feature can prevent any typo when typing the attribute manually. We only have one float item component attached to each item in this case, so it will only provide the number attribute. The item also has other item components such as the position, rotation, and scale. But those item components do not store the flow values, so they will not be provided in the selection by the Smart Suggestion Engine. We can leave the method required list empty. This means that all the items will be invoked in this evaluation. In the second course, we evaluate the standard deviation of the list. The target standard deviation will be 10. We will use the formula evaluator to form the cost definition in this course. We use the 5 steps to form the definition. First, we cache all the item number attributes into a flow list for later use. We then set target to 10 and the threshold to 20. The threshold value is used for normalization purpose. Then, we compute the standard deviation of the cache flow list and store the value to SD. Finally, we normalize the SD and store it to the return value. The optimizer will get the return value due to this cost evaluation. You can debug the formula using the one-time evaluator button and see the debug information in the debug selection. You can review all the cached values here. You can also create your formula by using our template. Here is the example of the flow list SD formula. For more details about the evaluator, please refer to the documentation. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.